Are you planning to get married soon? If the answer is yes, here are top 3 things that you need to know. Number 1. Be ready for change. If you're deciding to get married, here's a very important thing that you should know. Your partner will never change. If your partner is a lot into socializing, you need to stop thinking that he or she will ever change. He or she will always be into socializing. Also, if your partner does not want to have kids, he or she will never want to have kids. At the same time, if your partner has temper issues, be prepared. He or she will always be having temper issues. Now, I'm not saying that do not marry your partner. All I'm saying is just be ready to change. It's you who has to change. Sooner you accept this fact, the better it will be. Happy marriages require people to change. So be ready for change, even if that change is smaller or bigger. Second thing, conflicts are normal and important. Like summers and winters are equally important to sustain life, similarly, love and conflict are equally important to make the relationship grow stronger and fonder. How you handle conflicts matter. If you think that your partner is selfish or he or she is ignorant, then you're mistaken. There will be conflicts. Conflicts arise out of some unmet deeper needs. So the right thing to do is go to your partner and understand what he or she is feeling behind whatever he or she is saying. You need to see what the person within your partner is feeling. When you address that unmet need of your partner, there'll be no conflicts. Similarly, it's your responsibility to express your needs as well. When you do that, there'll be no conflicts. Point number 3. Communicate, know each other and become friends. Communication is everything. If you think compatibility happens on its own, you're mistaken. Compatibility needs to be created, and that can happen when you communicate, when you talk about everything. So talk about money. What is your concept of money and savings? Talk about kids. If you want to have kids or not, how many? What are your parenting styles? Talk about intimacy. What is your concept of intimacy? How much of intimacy both of you want? Talk about life goals. Maybe you or your partner want a lot of travel. Or maybe either of you want to go for a long education. Or maybe migrate outside the country. Talk about everything. You even should talk about talking. How much both of you want to connect to each other during the day. Or maybe during the week on some deeper topics. If you follow all that I've shared with you today, you will be able to create a happy marriage. Happy marriages are possible, but you need to talk out and become amazing friends. And remember, be open to change as well. We at Mind Tigers focus on doing the right things so that you develop the right habits. We provide one-to-one personalized training programs where you get a personal trainer who will handhold you and help you develop those right habits. You do daily assignments which just take 5 minutes. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification icon so that you can get to know about our next videos. Till then, good luck!